Manipur People's Democratic Front alleges state government of depriving water, electricity and other necessities at 5 villages in Kamjong district of Fungyar. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane says there is growth in human-based economy, though growth of India's economy was hindered. Cybercrime team arrested one person who is accused in question paper leak issue of Class 11 exam conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. And artificial floods affects agricultural activities from Yarel local to Naharup congealed at Topkul in Imphal East. A very good evening to you all. I'm Kanal Sambandaram presenting you the Sunday Primetime News. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF has alleged the state government for failing to provide electricity and water supply facilities to 5 villages of Fungyar constituency in Kamjong district, namely Aishi, Molvai-Lupt, Kutuld, Faimold and Paiko. Altogether, although India has completed 70 years of independence. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, MPDF General Secretary S. Sabungo said the present government has made certain proclamations to enhance ties between hill and valley regions of the state in public meetings and media, but has failed to take appropriate measures on the same. He asserted that although electric poles and wires were installed to provide electric supply to the 5 villages on 2016-17, there is no power in the village till date. He expressed discontentment that above a lack of insufficient drinking water supply and medical facilities, the road connecting the villages are in a deplorable condition. He further said the government employees posted in the village often neglect their duties. Taking part in the press meet, MPDF President and Nodia Chand appealed the elected members of the Hill to perform their duties earnestly. He assured that the party will urge the government to provide lacking basic facilities of the village in Hill district at the earliest.
Manga Sida Elki Kudung Saba Laitri, Adugi Matakta Mapa Masida, Public Health in the 9th Department, safe drinking water, sufficient Natava, requirement Adu Pibang Andri, Adegi Intervillage, roads, Kungangamaga, Samnaba, Hariba, Lambi Singa Masi, Adugi Matik Pibam Sadre, Aduga Kudamoina, higher the Faimon village the Lakhan, the Kamjong, Laiba, Maroina, Hariba, Kungang Manga, Sigi, Praza, Singi, Live, Oriba, assume a Lambi, documentic Pivum Sadre. Aduna, Nongju Tagi Matam Dadi, Hariba, Lambis, Deda, Sagi, Gariga, Thoroga, Sapako Paisa, documentic danger oil.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane said there is growth in human-based economy, though India's economic growth was hindered. He was speaking at one-day workshop on Union Budget 2020 at the office of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Kanchipur today. Speaking further, Nongthombam Birane said Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government strongly believe that India's economy will enhance only when India's rural economy is strengthened. He further assured that various developmental initiatives taken up by the government to ease the plights facing the poor will enhance India's economy after few years and even last long.
But my view, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na thadari ba sen chidi praja si sen lak kera lawera praja nungai hanaba rotation tawgera tawrera immediate madugi improvement kar kera kara roidu to secondary thamga praja nungai hanaba praja wadanaba praja gi singa phaba thananaba praja yum leinanaba praja gi layeng mangamnanaba praja gi chak chananaba rom the concentrate taw adun human based economics ne na ai adun ai gi thinking khitang slow down to bogi wani honorable prime minister na pamiba 2030 da 5 trillion gi economy India gi ai soidan mai pakane have ngon fully confidence ngon thajibule maram di kupna yengbiyo industrial singda thadaraga economic growth tawduga praja mayam da thadaraga praja singi phibam tamna phagala kanda boom long saklang torpaduga ani sine bo ji aingon da feel da buniko but my view honorable prime minister Narendra.
Speaking further at the workshop, Chief Minister Nongthoam Bireen promised landscape changes in the state in near future. He appealed BJP workers and bureaucrats to strive for states built up instead of waiting for center leaders. He asserted that such will only be possible when there is unity in the party. Stating that different opinions prevails everywhere, Nongthoam Bireen appealed BJP workers to maintain faith of people towards the party and work with people.
Even in my own family, every household the differences labani. Madu khoikhali kha thana da bani. Na lerga kauna lerga loina issues based the pulla ga sakadam. Aduna aina appeal tawni si khoikhali kata senior sing dasu or office bearers sing dasu or ekoi punamak government da laiba ko dasu groupism thado ka dabani. Sigi mindset se nam lang tho groupism ni mindset se just lang thokro matang da koi BJP kanana thingbang ngamge Manipur. Sokthing thingbang agitation, ban, blockade, adu, ada, loina mangra. Sidai da ikoina praja singa punna sakpa heudra deba. Pun sige moina hogot pasung moy ko. State sige darkar wori se karino. Akoi punna mangna khona ga do se karino ise. Madugi focus piba matam yore. Aina mayam da appeal tawning bose. Let us unite. Differences makham kuni mukta laigani. But state ki oiba praja ki oiba issue da party ki oiba issue da akoi punna satka dabani.
Protection Committee of Yaril to Goodpart local termed negligence by state government, which led to artificial floods, has affected agricultural activities at Topkuld from Yaril local to Naharub Konjil in Imphal East. The affected agricultural fields are Yaril local, Guru local, Chandam local, Khetri Awang Laikai local, and Makha Yaril local. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, convener of the committee, T. Parijat, said Directorate of Environment and Ecology Wing, in association with Yaril Pad Integrated Farmers Cooperative Society Limited, took 30% of the field of Yaril Lokong and set up the fish farms in the name of preserving wetlands 10 years ago. He asserted that 970 acres of the field were not able to carry out agricultural activities as there was no proper drainage system due to the wetland preservating project. On top of this, the Minor Irrigation Department again constructed a multi-purpose dam in 2016 and affected around 3,884 acres of the Guru local, Chandam local, Khetri Awang Laikai local, and Makha Yaril local. He appealed authorities concerned to refurbish the structure of the multi-purpose dam and remove the ring bend in Yaril.
अखोई हारिब लोकोल मंगासी अखोई इम्फाल तुरेन की अखोई इरिन तुरेन का थंगना लेबा लोकोल ngakdani इरिन तुरेन का थंगना लेरगसु लमदम सदैदा अखोई की इरिगेशन की थौरांग अमत पाइखबसु लेते समसमबा आरएलआई की स्कीम खरा लेका लेका पाइखलगसु आरएलआई स्कीम अमत माइ पाक्तन लेबा सुम फिवमदा अखोई की माइकै सोमदा लौ सुंगुबगी माइकैददी सरकार की सखो थौरांग की ममी अमफोक तमदे अदुगा हुजिक अखोई की माइकै सोमदा इसिंग थुमबगी प्रॉब्लम से अदुगी मतिक साउंड लई अदुना ड्राई सीजन ममांग सिदैदा दाम की स्ट्रक्चर से अथुरदन होंदोहंबिउ अदुगा लैरिबा लखोंग केलेल से सरकारी माइकैदगी सेमबा यामोंदा लखोंग से नेशनल स्ट्रीम से फजन सतपा याननबा लखोंग सेमै थबक से नुंगस्ता ममांग तौबिउ अखोई एनवायरनमेंट इकोलॉजी विंग ना वेलैंड सेमगी मिंग द खाजलिबा रिंग बन से नुंगजुता ममांग दा हांगोपिउ.
Cybercrime team arrested one person yesterday who is accused in question paper leak issue of Class 11 exams conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, COSAIM. A team led by additional SP and Zone under the supervision of Cybercrime Police Station CID CV Manipur SP Joyshri Lalrem Mawi carried out the investigation Cybercrime Police Station (PRO) in a press release identified that the arrested person is a management staff of Dhaneshwari Higher Secondary School, 33-year-old Moirangthemed Sundar Chand, son of M. Chauba from Kiamgai Mamang Laikai. Secretary of Council of Higher Secondary Education to Manipur COSEMT registered a case to Cybercrime Police Station CID-CV Manipur on 20th of February under the pretext of questioned leak for 5 subjects of Class 11 exam, following which investigation started. It is suspected that questions for English paper on 17th of February might also be leaked. Investigations are still underway to arrest those accused in the incident. Student bodies, namely Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam and Apunba Ireipaki Mahairoi Shingpanglup AIMS, demanded the authorities concerned to award befitted punishment to those involved in the question paper leak issue of Class 11 exam conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. Speaking to media in a press meet held at AIMS office in Kwakaithel Bazaar today, Desam Vice President Sitald Oinamd appreciated the government for forming an inquiry committee to investigate the matter. He further appealed the state government to suspend and award life imprisonment if any of COSAM staffs are found to be involved. And if any teachers of private schools are found involved, the recognitions of the school should be nullified and award life imprisonment to the culprit. Sitald Oinamd urged relevant departments to fix exam schedule of the Class 11 exam at the earliest. Speaking to media, AMS President Romend Kumujamd strongly condemned Class 10 Praja High School Center issue. He appealed to BOSEM to look into the matter and made necessary arrangement regarding the exam for the girl student.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯩꯔꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CM ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Social researcher Serto Tondana Komd termed budget demand passed during budget session of ongoing Manipur State Assembly as inappropriate. He asserted that it failed to acknowledge unemployment issues facing the educated youths of the state. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Serto said the recently passed budget gives priority to community and RD, police, finance and education, questioning if the state will develop only when development on the priority list are enhanced. He further alleged that budget analysis seems to dissociate with finance department, highlighting that only 34,40,000.63 rupees were allotted to Art and Culture Department, which is also less than what was allotted in the last year. He questioned on how the department will develop with such meager amount. Serto also termed less allotment in the youth affairs and sports as unfortunate. He asserted that such less allotment has led to declining of Manipur in the medal tally of recently held Khelo India. He also expressed discontentment over failure to focus more on the commerce and industry department, which could have to provide employment to youths, and agriculture sector, which could boost state's economy. Serto appealed authorities concerned to look into the recent budget and earmark appropriate capitals to relevant departments. 。 .
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CM ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯒ
हंदकी 2020-21 की एकोई बजट से येंबा मतमदा होप करिसु लाइते बिकॉज जॉब क्रिएशन की पोर्ट ता माय ओनसिन मसी यू उदे ममी तादे जॉब क्रिएशन की धमकता एकोई की लाइट आर्ट एंड कल्चर यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स अदुगा अतोप अतोप कमर्शियल इंडस्ट्री सिगुम्बा सिंसे यामना मरु ओइबा पोट अमने आबा कमर्शियल इंडस्ट्री हाइरिबसिदा फैक्ट्री लाकपा मतमदा जॉब क्रिएशन लाकदौरिबने आबा को अदु सिगुम्बा सिंगिदा मियेंसे इचंग चंग दबा माले बजट की एनालाइसिस एकोई की हाइट रैंकिंग हाइबा तारे सिगी द लाइरिबा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट का रिलेशन से इलाई इलाई तबगुमना ममी ताए यूथ अफेयर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स से हौजी की हंदकी एकोई की खेलो इंडिया की गुवाहाटी दा तौरिबा सामना तौरिबा दोदुदा एकोई न ममी ताए याबको रिंग पावर हाउस ने हाइरिबा मणिपुर से पूरा रिंग डाउन ने आबा लाइरिबसे हौजी सेशन जो लाइरिबनिना डिस्कशन तौबा यागदब लाइरबदी खैतंग तौबिरगा को तवन जनिंग
Home Guard Employees Welfare Association in a press release demanded the state government to release the administrative order to give away their pay and allowance which was already granted in the assembly session of the ongoing Manipur Legislative Assembly. The press release further appealed PMO office and Home Minister to grant permission to meet Prime Minister, Home Minister with the new delegate team of memorandum of the association. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Paragon Club Command Information Center, Kurai, carrying out protest demonstrations condemning the brutal assault of their members. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Primetime News. Paragon Club Information Center, Kurai, Tinsit Road carried out protest demonstration in front of the club today, condemning the brutal assault of their Vice President N.G. Amumacha and Finance Secretary N.G. Yaisha. Taking part in the protest, Assistant General Secretary of the club, Eld Roma, condemned the inhuman act carried out on the people who are taking active roles for the locality. She appealed relevant authorities to look into the matter and take up the befitting actions against the miscreants.
अखोई जिला परिषद सिदा क्लब सिगी अखोई पैसा कितंग ओइन दाउ सेप ओइना बाहाइदना हाउसी ओइब टिकेट सिक्स सुमाइना पुर चप मतमदा पोंग लंबीगी अदवाइसिदा मसक खंगदब कांगु खराना मखोइना लैरमबदे टिकेट तुगी खरा दुम कइनो तौनारगा सुमाइना खुद थाबदगी हुजिकसे अरुब फिबमदे लैबनी सुमाइना मतुंग तारकबददी अखोइना क्लब सिगी थबक थौरम तौरिबा अखोइगी वाकर मयामजदी सुमाइना सिगुम्बा मथोंग हुक्तबा थबक सिंग असे मतुंग नाउ तौबिगनु सुमाइना डिस्टर्ब तौब तारगदी तुंगदा करी ओइरकदगे कमाइना अखोइ क्लब सि चलाइदोइनो हाइबा वाफम असि थंजनिंगी मखोइ अनि फुबदा चेनरिबा मियोइ मरिसिदा लीगल एक्शन हाइबदी कोर्ट नोइरजु पुथोक्तना खोतना मोइ मखोइ मरिसिदा पिबम थोकपा सैराक्से पिबियो हाइना हाइजगे
Chairman of Loktak Development Authority, LDA, El Susindro, assured to restore the natural habitat of Phumlen and Koidum Lake and produced freezed breeds which are on the verge of extinction. He also assured to construct a bridge above Akashoi Marild, which is an important part of Phumland Lake, and renovate Nongmai Kongjao Dam. He was speaking on the sideline of inspection visit at LDA areas of Phumland Lake and Kaibul Lamjao National Park today. Speaking to media, Kurai MLA cum LDA chairman El Susindro said Phumland Lake has been overloaded with Phumdi and major changes are seen in the lake. He added the Phumdis will be removed from Akashoi Marild by constructing a bridge, and later the Phumdis will be made into fertilizers and availed to people. El Susindro said on top of preserving Karang Island, initiative will be taken up to install wood partitioned in LDA area next to the Kaibul Lamjao National Park and the Forest Department. He appealed people and civil society organizations to cooperate in the step taken up by LDA.
प्रजा म्याम सिंह हे हायरपा अखोगी nga makhal mayam akoi mangre akoi ithai beres lakpadagi nai yam chumba wafam ne adu hojik hairiba nga makhal species sing mangi bujing je handakti soidana akoi nga makhal sing je loktak pat manung da laktra bokta ꯐꯨꯝꯂꯦꯟ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯈꯣꯏꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯄꯥꯠ ꯀꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯄꯥꯠ ꯀꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯞꯅꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ XYZ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯀooperation ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ cooperation ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
A combined team of Vishnupur District Commando and 31st Assam Rifles arrested a suspected proscribed PLA active cadre during a frisking operation at the Moirang Lamkha around 4 p.m. on the 21st of February. The arrested person is 33-year-old Koyangbamd James alias Bungcha alias Binoy alias Shiroi, son of KH Lokend from Moirang Themed Layumbamd Laikai. Moirang Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K.A. Sarat Kumar, constructed roads of Babu Khald in Jiriband district which remained in deplorable condition for the past 55 years. Speaking to media, Secretary of Babu Khald Development Club, P. Shingomani, said the road remained in deplorable condition despite urging authorities concerned to construct the road. He expressed happiness and gratitude for the construction. He asserted that certain inconveniences will be faced due to lack of bridges at present. P. Singomani appealed authorities concerned to acknowledge the plights facing the people of the area and construct a bridge at the earliest. Chairman of Manipur Industrial Development Corporation Limited, MNIDCO, MLA Dr. Yumnam Radheshams disclosed that the Thongjao village in Hyanglam has selected under pottery mission by the center. He was speaking at the distributions of pottery clay plunger organized by Khadi and Village Industries Board KVIB under the aegis of Khadi and Village Industries commissioned at the Thongjao Community Hall today. Speaking further at the event, Radhesham said various sets for pottery training will be constructed starting this year. He appealed people to use a pottery product and refrain from using plastic products. Nauria Pakang Lakpa MLA Shoibam Suvash Chandra inaugurated a rural agricultural market shade at Mekola Bazaar today. MLA Shoibam Suvash Chandra assured to convert Mekola Bazaar into a successful trade center by installing LED high mast lamp. The market shade was constructed by Agriculture Department under the sponsorship of Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana 2018-2019. Speaking at the inaugural function, MLA Suvash Chandra said that renovation of the market shade will enhance the financial status of the people of Mekola, Kodompokpi, Lairenjamd and areas under Mekola Bazaar. He further dedicated the new market shade to former Minister W. Ango and W. Laima, acknowledging their contributions, mentioning regarding Mekola District Veterinary Hospital, which remained defunct for the past 10 years. He expressed happiness that the government has renovated the hospital and availed various facilities to people. MLA Subhash Chandra appealed people to extend support in the government's initiative to develop the education and health care sectors of Mekola.
BJP na lusing ba sarkar sila padagi Honorable Chief Minister na lusing ba N Biren Singh na lusing ba sarkar sila padagi Mekola Primary Health Center se Community Health Center oina upgrade tawre ngasigi khoi gi sarkar sila padagi Mekola se he numpung pha phajaba center mo oina na ba khoi Mekola Golap Higher Secondary School khoi residential higher secondary oina na ba government gi proposal leire Mekola gi mafam sida thlalainama athubada khinna ba local area development fund program haptan leire Mekola se tha khagi butungda phajaba kobi leiba phajaba phama semgat nabada lamdam sigi praja singi sojok pinabiu.
Manipur State Council, All India Youth Federation, concluded its two-day 19-state conference today. MSC AIYF, in a press release, notified that selected 11 delegates will participate at National Conference in Hyderabad. State Bank of India Officers Association held its regional conference at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Imphal today. Speaking at the conference, General Secretary of the association's Northeast Circled, Rupam Roy, speak on the role and contribution of SBI officers. Retired pensioners were accorded a warm welcome at the conference. Rotary Club of Apollo City Imphal and Velo Bicycles and Association Changangai Airport Road Imphal jointly organized a cycled rally in relation with Rotary Club's 115th anniversary today. The cycled rally was held on the themed Ride for a Cleaned Imphal City and Healthy Life. Chairman of Manipur Tourism Corporation Limited, Dr. Sapamt Ranjan, flagged off the rally from Changangai Airport Road. Members of Rotary Club Moneywood Club and the players of Neroka Football Club carried out the rally across Imphal City.
Rotary Club asi 1905 ta Chicago haiba lam USA gi sida hodok sagibni akhoi gi pandam hairgadi luna lana leiba adagidi kano hakchang phana leiba haiba kano sida sigi pandam sida sinjaba kano ne rally ni akhoi gi route sina sigi Velo cycle showroom gi airport ke opposite ta leiba sidagi start tawjaraga nitai ba suthek Governor Chowk kida adu adaidi Kangla Gate adaidi Ima Market ta cake cutting ceremony ama tawjaraga aduga adudage mu hauraga Khuyathong phauraga adai wahang lekai laaga sida loisanjabagi pandam thamjai.
Prajapati Brahma Kumari's Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya Imphal celebrated 84th Mahashivaratri at Faidinga today. Speaking at the event, Brahma Kumari's Manipur senior Raj Yoga teacher B.K. Nirmal Sachi said Shivaratri is celebrated to venerate Lord Shiva, who came down just to guide those who are in need. He further termed failure to recognize the true meaning of Shivaratri occasion and use of intoxicants, drug like ganja and cocaine on the day as unfortunate. Senior Raj Yoga teacher B.K. Nirmal Sachi appealed people to took pledge to refrain from intoxicants drug on the day. Eminent filmmaker Arivam Sham Sharma, RIMS director Professor A. Santa, former head of Department of RIMS Department of Surgery, Dr. G.S. Moirangpem, Brahma Kumari's Manipur in charge Raja Yogini Brahma Kumari Nilima, and many people attended the ceremony.
Akoina ngasi Sibratri Ishwargi oiba thoramsigi mingda mioiba akoina phattaba chanabi mayam ama hapsalakpa habadi samsamna ganja kani sagoida phattaba nisha mayam akoina katpa thakpa chaba masi tawraga leirambasina akoi samaj society se noma nomagi lekha taraknama macha ama ohelli aduduna masi hairiba prasad ne haraga su horen chabada kana roidaba pot singsi leibada akoi paisa tingbiganu amadi masi katpiraga angang singda prasad oina pijabiganu masina hena jati gi yumbi godoba angang ke ama lekha taraknana ba amadi Samase noma nomagi fibam sokchalakpa amada laknanaba macha ohelli mioiba khogi manungda leiba angawba wakhan haibadi asawba kalakpa mihoba napal hijai tambagi wakhalon oiba phattaba hainabi wakhalon singase masigi manungdagi ama khaktang oragasu ngasigi numitsidagi phattaba wakhansi aigi punsigi oina thadokjarage amadi afaba hainabi ama punsigi oina tawrage haibagi wasak brata du lobiraga punsisi mang chatpa afaba samaj ama sembada mayam punamak choba role lobiu haiba message tu ni maroina Bhaidingada Brahma Kumaris na pangthok seriba Shivaratri ki wahan tok hairaga.
Rotary Club of Imphal presented eatable items to the senior citizens homed at the Kongba Nandebam Laikai regarding their 115th Foundation Day today. Public-Private Partnership Table Tennis Academy, Thoubal, held its third Foundation Day at the Table Tennis Indoor Stadium in Thoubal district today. The academy also signed partnership agreement with Peace and Freedom Academy, Thoubal Hauka, and MS Global Academy, Thoubal Hauka on the occasion. It may be mentioned that the academy, which was founded in the year 2017 and has been providing table tennis training and free education to 31 students, including 10 new students who were admitted this year. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur People's Democratic Front alleges state government for depriving water, electricity and other necessities at 5 villages in the Kamjong district of Phungyar. Chief Minister Nongthoman Birane says there is a growth in the human-based economy. The growth in India's economy was hindered. Cybercrime team arrested one person who is accused in question paper leak issue of Class 11 exams conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. And artificial floods affects agricultural activities from the Yaral locals to Naharu congealed at Topkul in Imphal East.